Hi guys, welcome to CAD CA tutorial. Today we are going to see and use pocket command in CATIA. Today CATIA lecture 20 is discussed here and CATIA lecture 20 is discussed here and CATIA lecture 20 is a point of pocket. Today pocket command is discussed here and you can say here pocket command is learn and discuss here. Okay, at first CATIA software open this is our CATIA software interface and pocket point is learn here. Okay, this is our pocket point and this is a drafted filleted pocket and this is a multi pocket and this is not active but some sketch is drawing and then is active. Okay, this is xy plane sketch, this rectangle is draw here and exit. This is a at first select a pad is okay, this is a pad is drawing here and at first this is a active. Okay, at first select this face sketch some any sketch draw here. Okay, this point, this and this point, this point and this, and extra line is a okay, this is a trimmed. Okay, again sketch. Okay, first is this and this and this. Okay, and this. Okay, this line is a drag here and this line is a drag here. Okay, this is a pocket active, exit, and this pocket is active. Okay, and okay, this is a some drag here and this is a full. Okay, and this is up to surface means this line a drag here. Okay, this is a preview is showing here. Okay, this body, okay, colorful, this part is, and this pocket, this pad. Okay, and this body is a all body, this body is sketch here and this body is a colorful color is red. Okay, and this pad is a okay, select, and this body color is a not red but different, pink is correct. This pocket is color change, color is a blue. Okay, and this okay, this some important double click and some important point is discussed here. Reverse side. Okay, reverse side is discussed here. Okay guys, this part is this 3D body is blue color and this pocket is a pink color. Okay, okay, this is a and some important point discuss here. Okay, some important point discuss here. You you can carefully, okay, double click here. This is a double click here. This is a pocket and this is a reverse side. Click and this is a preview. Okay, this body is remaining, or this is very important, or and this very useful, this point. Okay, reverse slide is point is very useful and any design, any new design is created, then very important and very useful, this reverse side. And this click, this face is not click, but this click here, double click, and this is a reverse side and select preview. Okay, this is a okay, and again this is okay. Okay, and double click here, and some thickness is okay. This point is very important. This is a pocket. Okay, pocket use. And okay guys, CATIA lecture 20 is discussed here, and pocket command is discussed here, and next lecture 21 is coming soon. And guys, at first, more and more new videos, please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you.